So, good evening, sir. So, this is my output about the part 2 of logic gate. So, we have NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, and last one is XNOR gate. So, let's dig in first to the NOR gate. So, NOR gate is the opposite of OR. So, if kahit isa lang dyan is true, is magiging false yung output. See? Then, next one is the NOT AND gate. So, the NOT AND gate is opposite ng AND gate. So, if parehong true yung isang output is magiging false yung output. Then, next one is the XOR gate or the exclusive OR. So, the explanation of this is magiging true yung output niya if magkaiba yung input natin. So, next one is the XNOR gate, which means the exclusive NOR. So, it is the opposite of XOR or yung exclusive OR. So, mag-output lang siya ng true if pareho sila ng input. So, it's either 1 or 0. So, yeah. So, I think that's it for my logic gate. So, thank you.